Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can close your Wise account on mobile phone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you can see the settings option just down below of this personal details option. So let's click on the settings option and now you can see the close account option just down below of this screen. So let's tap on that close account and now you can see there is return. Before you go, tell us why you are leaving. So you can choose any of the options from here. First one is I have a problem with my transfer. Another one is I couldn't find the currency I wanted. Third one is I want to change my account details, and last one is I'm not using my account anymore. And if you have any other reason, then you can choose the other reason and you can give your reason over here, and finally tap on the close account and you'll be able to close your account successfully. So basically this is how you can close your account on your mobile phone, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.